Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Jayapātākā Sivasadi
The following is a South Indian bhajan performance with the explanations given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on July 20th, 1981 in Madras, India.
Krishna Govindaya Namo Namaha
Jayapataka Acharya here is glorifying the Lord Sri Krishna, being decorated with the flower garland, wearing the yellow garments, and having stolen the Parijata flower from the heavenly planets, having lifted up the Govardhan hill, and being the life and soul of all of the cowherders of Vrindavana, having 4 hands and carrying the Sudarshan Chakra, the conch shell, lotus flower, and the club, the beloved son of Devaki Nandan, the beloved son of Nanda Maharaja, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is a friend of all the Brahmanas, protector of the fallen, and who is very merciful to the cows, the senses, and to the land. He's offering his obeisances to that Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. So we should take this opportunity of remembering the transcendental pastimes of the Lord. The Lord Sri Krishna, when he appeared on the lap of his mother Jasoda in Vrindavana, when he killed the Putana demon by sucking the life from her breast, or when he was lifting the Govardhan hill, or dancing in the Rasa Leela, or speaking the Bhagavad Gita on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, at every stage in his life he was transcendentally situated, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But he is so kind that out of his own transcendental potency he has come down on this earth to benedict us, to show us his transcendental pastimes, so we may be attracted. Why are we rotting in this material world, attached to our temporary body, our temporary relatives, our temporary attachments of materialistic society, when we should be attached like Muddha Acharya and the great devotees to the transcendental qualities of Sri Krishna? Krishna means all attractive, and if we allow ourselves to be attracted by hearing of his qualities and his transcendental pastimes, then we will be taken out of this material world of birth and death and return into his eternal service, which is the highest goal of life, is to have pure love for Krishna and to engage in his loving devotion. Jayadev Goswami, Manjutara, Ashtapada has also been sung. Jayadev is also directing the listeners to focus their mind on the transcendental qualities of Krishna by allowing our natural flow of love to go to Krishna. That is the perfection of life. That is the ultimate happiness. And when we allow this affection to go other places, then we are misusing our affection. And as a result of that, we are forced to suffer in so many ways. So, if we follow in the footsteps of these great devotees who have achieved permanent happiness, Paramananda, then we will allow our minds to simply be attracted by these transcendental qualities of Krishna. And therefore we will say, Jai, Jai, Radha Krishna. Glories to their transcendental pastimes and qualities.